traces of love long ago that didn't work out right. Traces of love, ribbons from her hair, souvenirs of days together, the way she used to wear pages from old love letters, traces of love long ago that didn't work out right. Traces of love with me
So I just wanted to make sure this thing plays. It's got a number of issues. Don't even know where to start, but basically you start with the wheels and come on up. Flip it upside down, make the wheels work good, and go from there. Looks like we're going to need new sides on it, new bottom pieces of trim. The rest of it I think will clean up okay. Somebody cleaned it with, looks like steel wool or something like that. I don't know, but we'll clean it up. It sounds okay. The amp's been done. The speakers were supposedly replaced or reconed, but I don't see it happening. They look like originals and they sound kind of buzzy. Anyway, I'm done. Talk to you later.